Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to zoom in picture here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Zooming in on a picture in Canva can help you focus on specific details or adjust the image more precisely. Basically, for you to be able to zoom in a picture, we might want to open the design or project that you are working. If you haven't already, just click on the template section. You see, you can start from a business template, social media, education, video, marketing, print products, and more. You can also choose to click the create a design so you can start from scratch. Now, in this case, you might want to go to the photo section in the left side panel of your dashboard. You can put in as many pictures that you wanted here in Canva. Say this, all right? Now, if you want to zoom in, you have the option to do that on your keyboard. If you press Control and plus icon, you see that you can zoom in, and pressing Control minus will zoom out. All right, it's very easy. Another option that you can do is I'm going to upload a specific file here. All right, now I'm going to use the slider here at the bottom right corner. You see this? If I slide it all the way here, I would be able to zoom in the picture. If I slide it to the left, I would zoom out of it. All right. You see that? You can basically toggle and switch from here. Now, there's going to be an option here as well when you see the values. When you slide to the right, you see that the numbers are changing, right? You also have the option to click on that. You see, you can choose from 300, from 200 to 125 to 100%. 75, 50, 25, maybe 10, or if you wanted to click on the fit or fill, you are welcome to do that, because zooming in pictures in Canva is essentially good for improving details, making it precise edits, enhancing the overall quality of your design, whether you're adjusting for social media posts or maybe print materials or visual aesthetics. All right, now here, once you're happy with that, all you're going to do is click on share. You can download as an MP4, JPEG, PDF, or if you want to share this to your client, to your team member, just click on the copy link. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.